This is Showtime, and here's what's coming next. It's celebrities. It's comedy. It's fashion. It's Jane Fonda's Celebrity Comedy Fashion Show.
A promise is a promise. My child!
Years later, in a neighboring kingdom, a princess was born. She was very beautiful, but alas, very vain. As fate would have it, as it often does in fairy tales, the princess and the frog meet. And what happens next will surprise and delight you.
Turn around, you horny toad.
Sorry, I've just never seen a set of stems like that before. Oh, thigh.
Robin Williams and Terry Garr star in the first episode of Fairy Tale Theater, The Frog Prince, only on Showtime.
Premiering Saturday night at 8/7 Central.
Bill Harris in Hollywood, we get letters, you get answers. Superman. Warren Craig Newton of Tacoma, Washington asks, when can he expect to see Superman 3? It should be in the local theaters next summer, with Richard Pryor as the villain and Annette O'Toole, who just might be the new love interest for the Man of Steel. Diane Dinsmore of Portland, Oregon asks about Superman 2. And yes, you're right, that was Noel Neill, the original Lois Lane from the TV series, in a cameo appearance on the train with a young boy. Noel still presents her Superman nostalgia show around the country. What's happening with Suzanne Summers, asks Ryan Fenley of Spring, Texas. Well, she just came off a national tour of her one-woman show. She's back in the studio taping her new CBS series, The Susie Mahoney Show. For the record, that's actually her maiden name. And Suzanne has plans for more specials, including one for the Army, much as her last special was for the Navy. That girl spreads it around. Sylvester Stallone weighs heavily on the minds of a lot of you, from Leah Lowry of Reno to Brian Landers of Winston-Salem. This month, Sly's spending part of it abroad, lending his powerful presence to European promotions for Rocky III. Here at home, he'll be working with his undefeated heavyweight fighter, Lee Canalito. And on the big screen, Sly comes up next month in First Blood, dramatic story of a Vietnam veteran and his homecoming. And producer-director Steven Spielberg, Don Morris of Corvallis, Oregon, and Philip Hirsch of Anaheim, California, among many others, ask how they can write to the father of E.T. to thank him. Simple enough. Steven's offices are now at Warner Brothers, which you write care of the Burbank Studios, Burbank, zip 91522. Linda Howe of Springfield, Missouri, asks if that mustache bothers me over my lip. No, it doesn't, and where else would I keep it? And thanks for the chance to use an old joke. If you want new information about the stars or the stories, drop a line and we'll do our best. Showtime, 10900 Wilshire Boulevard, LA zip 90024, and we'll talk again.
Saturday, Pac-Man and Ms. Pac-Man have nothing on these two.
Thank you.
And when Valcom and Aquacom meet, they immediately become wire-crossed lovers.
Being programmed for charm was probably an extra expense.
It's rollicking robot romance in Heartbeeps with Andy Kaufman and Bernadette Peters, premiering Saturday at 8 Central. It's more than exercise, it's fun. Stay in shape with Showtime and Aerobicise. Fitness never looked or felt so good.
Showtime, we're tuned into you.
This is Showtime, and here's what's coming next. Critics' Choice presents the bittersweet tale of 4 Russian women seeking their fortune in the big city. The Academy Award-winning Moscow Does Not Believe in Tears.